In front of me is ZTE Nubia Z9 Max, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select other system settings and click on date and time. And as you can see, you can either have an automatic date and time or you can turn it off, and now you can set date and time manually by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also turn off automatic time zone, just mark it here to switch it off, and then select time zone from the list, right here. Let me mark, for example, this one. Also, you can change the format of your clock and also the date, so you can use either 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. And also here, you can pick the preferred date format. So let me choose this one. And that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers. And that's it. As you can see, this is how you can change date and time in your device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.